Children, I hope you are all good. I think last videos you followed with the topics. What is a fraction and types of fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and the conversions of mixed to the improper, improper to the mixed fractions. And we already covered the what are the like fractions and unlike fractions. In this video we are going to discuss about the operations on fractions. What are the basic operations you know? Additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. In this video we are going to discuss about how to add the fractions. So let us start the session. Let's start the discussion how to add the fractions in two different cases. What are those two different cases? Case 1, adding like fractions. Case 2, adding unlike fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. And what are the unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are the fractions having different denominators. Now let us start with the case 1. See this example 1. 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. You can observe this carefully. Both denominators are same, 7, 7. So 2 by 7 and 3 by 7 are both are like fractions. Okay, if you want to add two like fractions, you have to add the numerators directly. Add the numerators and write the same denominator. Okay, 2 plus 3 by 7. See here, 2 plus 3. Because both are like fractions, just you have to add the numerators. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And the same denominator, give the same denominator, common denominator, and that will be the 7. Okay, if you want to add the like fractions, just add the numerators. Let us see the other example. Here I gave you 3 like fractions, 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. How to add these 3 like fractions? As the denominators are same, just add the numerators. See, just adding the numerator. First numerator 4, 2 and 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 by what is the common denominator? 3. So the common denominator is 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 7 by 3. Let us discuss some more examples. Here you can observe the two fractions and both are having same denominator 7 and 7. So these two are like fractions. 11 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fractions. So what you have to do? Add the numerators. 11 plus 3 by 7. Here you can observe adding the numerators. 11 plus 3, 14 and the common denominator 7. Okay, 14 by 7, but 7 will cancels 14 with 2. 7 2s are 14. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. So answer is 2. Okay, coming to the next one, 2 by 9 and 7 by 9. You can observe these two are like fractions because having same denominator 9. So what you have to do? Add the numerators. So what is the answer? 7 plus 2 by 9. Adding the numerators. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and answer is 9 by 9. 9 9 will cancel and the answer will be 1. Okay. Coming to the next example, you can observe here 3 fractions. All are having same denominators. So you have to add the numerators. 5 plus 2 plus 4. How much? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So what is the answer for this? 11 by 4. Answer is 11 by 7. Okay, because the denominator is 7. And coming to the last example, here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7. You can observe that these two denominators are different. So 1 by 3 and 2 by 7 are unlike fractions. So we can't do the process like this. We have to go with the case number 2, adding the unlike fractions. Now we are going to discuss case number 2, adding unlike fractions. Here you can observe the example. 2 by 3 and 1 by 7 are both are unlike fractions because they are having different denominators. Okay, so how to add these unlike fractions? The basic thing you learned in your previous class is to do this operation using LCM. We'll go with this method, and later I will give you a simple method to solve this. Now by LCM, if you are having unlike fractions, take the LCM of the denominators. What are the denominators here? 3 and 7. So 3 comma 7. What is the LCM of 3 comma 7? Is 3 into 7, 21. So LCM is 21. Now you have to make the 21 as the both the denominators. So what you have to do? By what you have to multiply to get 3 as 21? 3 sevens are 21, and 7 you have to multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21. So numerator and denominator has to multiply with 7 here. Numerator and denominator has to multiply with 3 here. Let us do that. Now as LCM is 21, so I am multiplying the 2 by 3 with 7 by 7 to make the denominator 21. Okay, and 1 by 7 I am multiplying by 3 by 3 to make the denominator 21. So 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21. 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Here you can observe these two are like fractions because both the denominators are same, 21 21. So I converted the two unlike fractions to the like fractions using LCM. Okay, that is the basic thing you have to remember while adding the unlike fractions. If you want to add the unlike fractions, first you have to convert them into like fractions using LCM. Okay, now these two are like fractions having same denominators. Add the numerators. What is the numerator here? 14. What is the numerator here? 3. So 14 plus 3, 17. 17 by 21. Okay, I hope you understood this, adding the like fractions. This is the second example. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Both are unlike fractions, 4 by 3 and 2 by 5. Now what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of denominators, that is 3 and 5. Then you have to make the denominators by multiplying with the LCM, and you have to add. But before going to that, simple technique is you multiply this denominator here in this numerator and denominator. In the same way, this denominator multiply here and both numerator and denominator. There is no need to taking of LCM. You can do this by just cross multiplying. You multiply this denominator with this 2 and this denominator with this 2. Let us see that. Like this. Okay, I am multiplying this denominator here with numerator and denominator, this denominator with numerator and denominator. There is no need of taking LCM. Directly you multiply now. 4 into 5, 20. Now 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Now you can observe the denominators 15, 15. So denominators are equal. These two are like fractions. So I converted the unlike fractions to the like fractions. Okay, by cross multiplication. So when these two are like fractions, what is the procedure? add the numerators with the same denominator. 20 plus 6, 26, and the common denominator 15. So 26 by 15 is the answer. Let us consider the next example. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7 plus 4 by 3. Here you can observe all are having different denominators, that are all these are unlike fractions. How to add this? First you add these two. With that answer again you add to this. That will be the easiest way. Now I am doing with this. Okay, the simple method, cross multiplication. Okay, I am taking this to 1 by 3. I am multiplying with this denominator 7 by 7 plus 2 by 7. I am taking this denominator 3 by 3. Okay, and this is the same thing. I am not going to touch 4 by 5. Okay, now do this calculation. 1 into 7, 7. 3 into 7, 21. 2 into 3, 6. 7 into 3, 21. So 1 into 7, 7. 3 into 7, 21. This is 6 by 21. Now you can observe these two are same denominators. So you have to add the numerators. 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 by 21. Here you can observe these two fractions are unlike fractions. 13 by 21 plus 4 by 5. Again the same procedure. Cross multiply. 5 by 5 multiply here 5 by 5. Multiply here 21 by 21. So I multiplied this denominator here, this denominator here. 13 into 5, 21 into 5. And here 4 into 21, 5 into 21. So 13 5s are 65, 21 5s are 105. 4 21s 84, 5 21s 105. Here you observe both the denominators are same. So this and this are like fractions. How to add the like fractions? Just you add the numerators with the same denominator. So what is the answer? 149 by 105. Okay. In this way you have to do the additions of like fractions and unlike fractions. Case, adding a fraction with a whole number like this. Here 2 is a whole number and 7 by 9 is a fraction. Now how to add these two? There is nothing difference. This is also comes under in the case of unlike fractions. Because if 2 is there, every whole number will have a denominator 1. Okay. Every whole number will have a denominator 1. This is the fraction form 2 by 1 of a whole number. 100. 100 is nothing but 100 by 1. It's a fractional form. Here 2 is a whole number. 2 by 1 is the fractional form of whole numbers. So here 1 and 9 are the denominators. 1 and 9 both are different. So 2 by 1 and 7 by 9 are unlike fractions. So the same procedure you have to follow. Multiply 9 by 9 here and 1 here 1 by 1. Okay. Like this. I am multiplying this here. 2 into 9 by 2 by 1 into 9 by 9. 7 by 9. What is the denominator here? 1. So I am multiplying with 1 by 1. Okay. Okay. 2 into 9, 18. 1 into 9, 9. 7 into 1, 7. 9 into 1, 9. Now you can observe both denominators are same. So add the numerators. 18 plus 7, 25. 9 and 9, the same denominator 9. So 25 by 9 is the answer. This is the special case under unlike fractions only. Okay. Please do remember that every whole number, the fractional form is by 1. Okay. 2 by 1. Okay. Hope you understood the adding of fractions. Please go through the assignment and solve the problems using these different cases. Just remember, like fractions, if you are having or if you are adding the like fractions, make the same denominator, add the numerators. If you are adding the unlike fractions, convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by cross multiplication or using the LCM. Whichever the method you feel easy, you go for that. Okay. And if you are adding with a whole number and a fraction, simply you can add with the fractional form of the whole number, that is divide with 1. Please go through this video thoroughly and do the assignment. Thank you.